Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. First of all, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My channel will cover Office 365, Microsoft Azure Active Directory, Configuration Manager or SCCM, anything related to applications deployment, Windows 10 deployment. My channel will have all the videos for it, or most of the videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a local admin account on Windows 10 deployment workstations using Configuration Manager or Task Sequence. So if I look at my machine here, let's go to local users and groups. Users, I don't have a users that I want to add as an administrator. So I'm going to use a script that I'm going to install using Task Sequence. The script will create a user account and also will be added to the administrator account. Let's go to Configuration Manager. I'm going to create a task sequence. Create task sequence. Click on Create a new custom task sequence. Click Next. I'm going to call this Create Local Admin. Create Local Admin account. Click Next and Next. Let's open it up. Right click and then go to Edit. I'm going to run a PowerShell script to create an account. So I'm going to run a command line. I'm going to call this Create Local Admin. And the command line that I want to put in is the PowerShell script. I'm going to paste the script in the descriptions of the video. So it's going to call a powershell.exe. What you need to do is you only have to change two places. One is the password right here. Enter your own password. In this case, I'm just going to make up a password. Called Cloud 99. I'm just going to call it Carson 99 Cloud exclamation and @ So that's my password, and the account it's going to call cloudadmin. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to paste it to the test sequence. Click on apply. Click OK. Now I'm going to deploy it to my workstation. Click on deploy. All systems. Next. I'm going to I'm going to deploy as available. Next. Next. And next. You can just take a default. Close. All right. So, and if I want to add the command line to my OSD test sequence, all I have to do is just open up my OSD test sequence. I'm just going to add it to under install application. I'm going to add it to here somewhere here. Run command line. Add that and click on add local admin account. And then click OK. And now let's go to the workstations and run the test sequence. Software Center. Let's see, do I have configuration client manager on this computer? Oops, so I don't have configuration manager client on this computer. Let's go to my other workstation, this one here. Let's go to Software Center. Let's go back into, let's verify if, make sure there's no account is already added. So there is no account, there's no cloud admin account here. Let's open up control panel and enforce the policy. Machine retrieval policy. Click OK. There it is. Now I'm going to run this test sequence. Install. All right, look like it has been completed. Let's go back to the use, local users and groups. Click on refresh. There it is. There is the account, and it should be member of the administrator group. There it is. That's it. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.